Okay, here's the Craftec Tonneau cover for 55 to 87 Chevy short beds assembled. Follow the directions. They tell you that there's a video available, but if you look at the video, it's actually for a fleet side, and it's just confusing. But when you put the two rails together, these two numbers here, the 2 and 4, go together, and then opposite them, the 1 and the 5 and the 3 go together. The numbers are touching, or close to touching. So now it's loosely assembled and ready to put on the vinyl cover, and we'll see how that goes. Oh, also, yeah, if you look at the video, they say to watch the numbers on these things, but they're both identical, so it doesn't matter what the cross members go where. In pulling the bead through where it's supposed to go, coming this direction, I found it was hitting the corner piece and it would not come through, so I had to take the corner piece off. Then I'll sneak it back in there and get it in the hole there, and then spin it to get it on. Then it was hitting right here, so I just ground that off a little bit so it'll fit in there better. Okay, got one side done. Okay, here's a problem here. I can't get this far enough back to slide in there. I wish they'd have shown how difficult it was to get the plastic in on these things. They show you one side, and of course the first side is real easy. The second side is real tough, and what I had to do is get it upside down on a table and then hang this edge over the table so you could bend it. You bend this end up, and by bending that up, you can get this plastic farther enough back to snap it in. Still not easy, but you can do it. And then once I got all the way across there, and for some reason this side was pretty easy. The final side was pretty easy to do. And mounting this with the stick-on tape, you want to make sure you get it level. This piece here has to be on the same plane as this piece here. If it's tilting up, it'll bind. So if anything else, if you're going to be a little error, make sure it tilts down rather than up. But the best thing is to have it exactly right. These are the latches that release it. Now these on the stake side beds just go straight through the wall, these two different mounting things, but it doesn't matter because they don't show, because they're hidden by this. They're higher than that. Here it is installed.